how to connect capital.com to MetaTrader 4. You want to load up the MetaTrader app, and once you have the app open, we're just going to click on settings in the bottom right corner. From here, you need to select new account. Click on new account and then choose login to an existing account. Now from here, we will search for capital, and you will need to select your specific region. So we have the UK, Australia, and here we have different regions as well. So I'm going to do the basic one here, the main one, capital.com real. Make sure you select real. Now you will need to log in using your login username and password. Afterwards, you will just click on sign in the top right, and that is how you connect the two platforms. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.